In this tutorial, I'll be talking about the style attribute. So you can place stylish elements or tags with the help of style attribute in a HTML document. Here's the format of the style attribute. So tag name style attribute is equal to, within double quotes, the property colon value. So both the property and the value is a CSS type. So here are the different types of styling properties. First, the background color, second, the text color, third, the fonts, fourth, text size, and the fifth, text align. So the background color must be placed in the body tag, followed with the style attribute, and then double quotes the background color and the value. So text color should be placed within a paragraph tag or a heading tag, and for the style, the color, and the value. For the fonts, it refers the types of fonts. So within a paragraph tag or a heading tag, we have the style attribute, and then we call the font family, which refers the types of the font like Times New Roman, Verdana, Arial, etc. Next is the text size. So here we specify the size of the text. So within the style attribute, we have the font size, and within the double quotes, we have the font size and the colon value. The value can be like 14, 20, etc., depending upon your wish. And the next is the align. So by default, the alignment of the text is left. So if you want to align the text within center and the value, you can use the text align. Here you have to specify the center or right side. So let us see how it works with the help of text editor. So we have the HTML basic tag, head tag, title. Let's keep it a style attribute and close the tag. Now let us type the body style, double quotes, style is equal to like background color is COLOR, not COLOUR. It's COLOR, then colon, let's keep as blue violet, and close the tag. And here we specify the paragraph tag style is equal to, let's use the text color. So color colon, let's have chocolate. Close the paragraph tag, opening paragraph tag, and here place HTML style. And we place the break so that you can understand clearly the different style properties. And copy it, paste it, and it becomes easier for us to understand. Implementation of the code becomes easier. And we'll change it to font family, and let's keep it to new Courier monospace, and this is the type of thing for now. Have this, paste it again, change it to font size, so it can be within percentage or just the number. So let's keep it as 20. Again, have the alignment property. So we have text align, keep it as center, and we close the body. Close HTML. Let's save it. So I've given the document name as sixth. So these are all the style properties I've discussed. So first is a background color, next is the text color, and the font family, which I've given Courier new. This is the different types of fonts, and next I've given the font size, which I've given 20, and next I've given the alignment is given center. Save it. Then we go to a document where I save the HTML document, and this is on sixth. And this is the output. So here this is how the different style properties. We have given the background color as purple or blue violet, and have given the text color as red, the text font family as Courier, and replace the text in the center of the align property, and here's the size of the font. So I hope you understood the basics of style attribute, and here are different types of style attributes like the background color, the text color, the font family, then the font size, and the font align. I hope you like the video, you subscribe the video, and you share the video, and you press the notification bell icon so that you don't miss the future videos. Thank you.